How to check if Messenger is hacked. Start by opening the Messenger app on your device. Tap on the hamburger icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now go to the settings. Scroll down to find the Account Center section. Press the See More in Account Center option. In the Account Settings section, hit the Password and Security option. Then click on where you are logged in. Select your Facebook Messenger account. Here, you can find the devices where your account is logged in. If you don't recognize a device, there is a chance that you didn't log in on that device and your account has been hacked. You can log out of the unknown device. For that, tap on Select Devices to log out at the bottom. Select the device you are unfamiliar with. You can select multiple also. Next, hit the Logout button at the bottom. Press Logout again from the pop-up. A security code will then be sent to your email to confirm. Copy that code from your email and paste it into the text box. Finally, click the Continue button at the bottom. This is how you can check if your Messenger account is hacked.